Yo homes, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this I'll teach you how to cast realistic shadows in your composition and make them look more believable. We will begin by making another copy of the object you want to cast a shadow of and rasterize that layer if the object isn't rasterized already. You can do that by right clicking the layer and select rasterize image from the drop down menu. These rasterized layers will act as the shadow. To make it more believable, we will transform its shape into an approximate shape of a realistic shadow. To do that, we will use the transform shape tool. The shortcut being Command T in Mac and Control T in Windows. Just select a layer and press the shortcuts. Once the shape controls come up, transform it and play with it till you get the approximate shape you are looking for. After getting the approximate shape we are looking for, we shall lock the alpha channel of the layer to cast a gradient on it. To do that, select the layer and activate the lock option from the bar just above the layer menu. Now we will cast a gradient. To do that, we will use the gradient tool, the shortcut being G. Just drag the tool from the starting point of the shadow to the end of it. In our case, it will be from down to top. Once that's done, we shall turn the blending mode of the layer to multiply by selecting it, changing it from normal to multiply from the bar just above the layer menu. This will cancel out the white parts and just focus on the dark parts, which is the black parts. Just and that's how shadows work. Now that the base of the shadow is ready, it's time to blend it better with the surrounding. To do that, we will be blurring it out using the Gaussian blur tool. For that, let's select the shadow layer and select Gaussian blur from the filter menu followed by blur menu. We'll start with the base by approximately a 4 radius pixel. There is no hard calculation for this, just use your instinct. It will vary according to your needs and the size of the canvas you're using and the size of the object. So just use a optical approximation. Now that our base shadow is ready, it's time to blend it even better with the surrounding by digitally recreating how shadows blend out and get more blurred out as the distance increases from the source of the shadow in real life. To do that, we will once again use the Gaussian blur, but not on the entire shadow. We will select a gradual part of the shadow and then implement a Gaussian blur of higher blurriness. To do that, we will select part of the shadow using the selection tool, the shortcut being M, but we will feather it out to something. Let us use 100 pixel. Once again, use your optical approximation for this. The size will depend on the size of the canvas, size of the object and size of the shadow. And then we will use Gaussian bar on the selection, in this time much higher than the last. Once again, use your optical approximation. For our case, I shall be using a 32 pixel radius blur. Now our shadow is pretty much complete. We'll just adjust the opacity of the shadow layer to suit the requirement of the composition, and to make it even more perfect, just create another layer, turn the blending mode to multiply and use the brush tool to adjust the shadow and play with it till it's pretty much perfect as per the requirement. And there how you do it. So that's it, homes. That's how you create a realistic shadow in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more, and use the comment section to have a conversation. Let me know about what you liked or disliked about the video, your suggestions, queries, etc. Find my vector, clip and stock photo elements from my 2020 and Shutterstock accounts. Links in the description below. Follow me in other social media, especially Instagram. Links in the description below. And see you again. Keep creating and stay off the ground. Bye bye.